Hi, folks. Ryan Mallory with Southern Oregon First. Hey, our team wanted you to know about our Telegram chat groups. And those are easily found by going to our website, looking near the top, just below Facebook and YouTube logos for those channels. We also have Telegram groups. Those Telegram groups, you simply click on the links. Those chat groups are a local news group where we post the articles from southernoregonfirst.com, just like we do on the Facebook page for Southern Oregon First. And then also a national group that sometimes covers some global stuff as well. And then a chat group that's just specifically for chat back and forth between our followers. That national group, if you want to hear about things like the Great Awakening and other news, maybe relative to viruses and vaccines, that big tech and local news and national news and the big mainstream media doesn't necessarily want to publish or want you to hear, those are the places to go to get that news. So we hope you'll join the Telegram groups, or at least find the one to your liking and join it and keep in touch on those issues. Thanks for listening.